Chinese officials sought to limit the economic impact of a sweeping shutdown of Shanghai and other cities to contain a deadly new virus that has infected more than 1,400 people. The Shanghai government announced tax refunds, cuts in rent, and low-cost loans for small businesses. The city's finance bureau said it would provide $160 million in low-interest loans to help small businesses maintain operations. The state-run Xinhua news agency reported that 9 cities in the central province of Hubei, where the outbreak began, have extended their Lunar New Year's holidays. China has reported 1,287 cases of infection, with the fastest spreading new coronavirus as of Wednesday, and 41 deaths. The World Health Organization said there was no evidence yet of sustained human-to-human transmission outside China, but there was a risk it could spread further. In an attempt to reassure business owners in the city center, Mayor Ying Yong said in a statement that companies would get refunds on Social Security contributions and taxes dating back from January the 1st. Many have had to close, while others have struggled with sharply reduced revenues because of the dramatic reduction in visitors to Shanghai since late January. The statement also said that restaurants, bars, and hotels could apply for a 3-month deferral on rent payments and promised additional low-cost loans for small businesses having trouble keeping their doors open. The city has imposed new controls on movement in a bid to contain an upsurge in domestic cases that has infected some 330 people in less than 2 weeks, forcing authorities to shut down schools and some non-essential businesses. We have issued a series of policies to help the enterprises and the general public during this pandemic, Vice Mayor Wen Guohui told reporters at a news conference. Small businesses, many of which are still struggling from the fallout of China's first coronavirus wave earlier this year, will get a 60% cut in rents for city-owned offices for 2 months. They will also get 2 months' worth of property tax and urban maintenance and construction tax refunded, as well as fast-tracked approval for low-interest loans with a 1-year grace period, Wen said. The measures include an extension of the deadline for paying taxes and fees by 3 months, while monthly rent will be reduced by 50%, according to a statement on the city government's social media account. The central bank said it would give support to commercial banks in Shanghai to provide low-cost loans to micro and small businesses that have been affected by the pandemic. Thousands of stores and restaurants in Shanghai have been allowed to reopen, but they remain mostly empty as residents stay home. China's financial capital was forced to shut down after the spread of a new coronavirus that killed more than 1,800 people last year, and now the city is under the microscope again. A government statement said the city will also provide extra support for factories and other businesses to get back to work by offering free or discounted use of logistics and storage facilities, as well as free access to public internet services. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, let us know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.